Welcome to day 3 series of the book When the Two Seas Meet. Here I want to share with you the profound thought what Muhammad has shared in this book. It's about the mother's perspective. A mother is an amalgam of love, affection, selflessness and sacrifice. She's been spending a lot of her time to see that the child gets best education. The child is equipped with all the skills that he needs. She also sees that he is raised in the best possible ways with full competence and is able to face all the challenges of life. Being a mother, how can she ever forget those nostalgic moments of holding the baby for the first time, touching that tender hands and legs for the first time? I thank Muhammad for the very reason that while reading this book, it was like a flashback and brought that moments alive in my life also. How can a mother forget those days when the child was depending on her for every reason? And gradually, the child is interdependent and then becomes an independent man. And these mixture of emotions are always alive in a mother's mind. That's for sure. But the sudden shift from a mother's post to the mother-in-law's post is a transition period for a mother-in-law. Maybe she is emotionally feeling insecure about her son's love that she may be losing. Most of the disputes between a mother-in-law and a daughter-in-law arises because of over possessiveness. They feel somewhere that they are losing the son's love or husband's love. Unfortunately, the daughter-in-law, maybe due to the age gap or the generation gap, she is not able to understand the mother-in-law's thoughts and her emotions. It's because of that she feels that in spite of doing so much, in spite of serving my mother-in-law so much, I'm not able to convince her, or she is being judgmental. These things are arising because of maybe the lack of understanding between the two. So in my upcoming video, I will be sharing with you what are the mother-in-law's stand, how to make the first move to see that everybody at home are contented and happy. How can she create that change in life to make everybody happy at home? So stay tuned and keep watching my upcoming videos. Do share, subscribe the channel to get more information on this topic. Meanwhile, also let me know what are your challenges in your relationship, and I highly recommend you to grab a copy for yourself. I have given the link in the description box below. This is going to be an eye opener in your lives.